Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for bodies and stances. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is like a hand on, like, gonna have a hand on the hip, because that's a little sassy and stuff. So I would draw like two, like, I don't even think it's a trapezoid or something like that, but these type of shapes on top of each other. So to just start a base, then go on from there. That was a little tricky. Then do the circles. You want to make sure you shape the legs like kind of like thighs, not like rectangle, because you want to make them look like they are standing correctly, like there's not something wrong with their legs, because sometimes I make that mistake when I'm drawing, because I go too fast and I sometimes even skip some steps, so you always want to check that. I'm not very good with hands, but I am good at doing this. So this, yeah, kind of shape the hand like that. Kind of that type of shape. Then wait, that looks kind of weird. Wait, so you shape the hand like that. Yeah, and then you do the same on this side. I think I'll just put my hand in the back, like doing this. So it's kind of cute, yeah. And I'm not gonna do like a full like head, but I am gonna some head, just so she's not headless. So yeah. Perfect. That's not really good proportion, but yeah. And then her feet. I normally just shape them like shoes because I'm not gonna leave her barefoot. So yeah. Now time for the next stance. So for this one, she's gonna be sitting down. He or she is gonna be sitting down, so I'm just gonna put the head, because you know when you're putting this down, you know. So I'm just gonna draw the body. Oh. So you do the same thing as the top, as the last one, and gonna put one of those. You shape it like this, going outwards like that, because she's sitting on her knees. Then shape a long oval like this over here. And then you want to make it a little bit more skinny over here for like the feet. Actually, the feet have to be facing this way. Like that. Then to put the hands on the legs. As I said before, I'm not very good with hands, but I am trying, so yeah. And then put the hand out like this on the floor, so she has something to keep her up. Then also put both of the feet back here, so looks like she's just with one foot and doesn't have just one foot. Then yeah, and time for the next position. Like maybe you want to draw a character laying down. You can do it for this one here. You just gotta shape the head. Then the way their legs are, it's not gonna be straight, but like in a comfortable position. Same for the first two. You put circle here, 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 because those are the joints. And put the feet and the leg. Circle. Then same, put circles to the joints here for the joints, because that's where it moves. Then arms over here. And that looks comfortable. Maybe if you want to put a pillow, but just drawing positions. But if you just want to add anything, then now time for the last position. So for this one, she is gonna be doing a handstand. So like, just gonna put some hair down, just so you know like where everything's gonna go. Actually, no, because I can block. So to shape the head, then you put the oval legs, like you always do, or how I always do. Then, since I can never do normal handstand and I would normally fall, this is what we're going to be referencing from. So just make that a little bit more shaped. Then the neck, you want to make sure that you're making it look like she's holding it, like the legs are actually up in the air, not like just like on the ground, because you want to make it look 3D. Then this is the part that needs is the hardest. So you just want to put the arms there, the circles there. You want to bend it like this, circle, this. And then the hands, you want to bend the thumb like this, so it looks like she's holding it, because if it looks like it's just standing, you can't just hold your body weight like that. So you also want to think about how it would look like in real life if you were drawing it to look like real life. That's what I always think about. So, same thing. Draw it to look flat. That's it. She looks like she's holding herself very well. She's definitely gonna fall. So this is the final. I think these turned out so cute. I hope you learned a little bit of something from this video and you could use it when you're drawing. I know, like, when I was learning how to draw, this would be very useful because I did not find my art style yet. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and follow me for more. Bye.